Hello and welcome to Davey Motor Group. My name is Ben. Today we'll be having a look at this 2019 Daihatsu Hijet 4-wheel drive tipper truck. This vehicle has just landed recently from Japan. Excellent condition, low kilometers of only 15,000. This 4-wheel drive PTO dump model features the more durable tipper bed. Factory 12-inch wheels, finished in the most common white colour. This vehicle is located in Geelong, Victoria, priced at $27,990 drive away. That is including all stamp duty and government charges on this vehicle. As you can see, it does have a quite nice sized bed in the back. Perfect for a landscaper or just a tradie needing to get the job done without such a large ute. All the sides of the tray do fold down as well. On the inside you do have wind up windows, got a cup holder for the driver and a cup holder down where the gear shifter is. Factory Hijet floor mats. $15,000 kilometers on the vehicle. Factory AM/FM radio. You got your 4-wheel drive and locking diff, air conditioning, 5-speed manual, high and low gearing. Do have service history for this vehicle. All inside these books, and we do also have our English converted owner's manual as well. Being a PTO dump model, you do lose a cup holder, but you do get the tipper bed that does go through the transmission of the vehicle. So what you've got to do is put the transmission into neutral, move this down like that, and you can choose to go from either first gear or fifth gear. If you go from the first gear, it does go up quite slow, but if you go into the fifth gear, does go up nice and quick. Don't have to have your feet on anything or hold anything for the tipper to go up. And then when it's done, put the transmission lever into neutral. And it does get quite a bit of an incline with it as well. Perfect for a landscaper needing to dump out some mulch, or doing tip runs as well. Perfect for that. If you're interested in this vehicle, it is priced at $27,990 drive away. Located in Geelong, Victoria, Australia. We do ship Australia wide for these little trucks. Always got plenty in stock, so if you'd like to see what other K trucks we have, please do visit our website at www.daveymotorgroup.com, or you can give us a call today at 1-800-855-133. Any questions, please do leave them in the comments down below. Cheers.